Okay, so far we figured out um, how to get the down arrow key to work. So let's just the next step is just going to be kind of figuring out what the other keys are, and you know you can use like show ASCII rechar for that, right? Let me see. Can I get rid of this? I'm gonna hide the techniques. Okay, so now I can see what I want. Show ASCII read char. And if I press the up arrow key, that's a 38 on the 38 on the PC. And if you test that, so I'm going to, if we're going north, I'm going to say 38 for the PC, and on the Mac, that happens to be a 30. And so here I want to go north. Okay. If I get rid of this so I don't confuse myself. If I say show ASCII rechar and hit enter again, and this time I'll hit the left arrow key, it says 37. So if I want to go east, right, because going to the left means going east, go east. That's a 37. And if you check that on your Mac, east is, or the left arrow key is a 28. I'm pretty sure you better test this though, because I'm working on my PC right now. And then, if I want to figure out what it is to go right, I'm going to hit the right arrow key. It says 39. So northeast, south, west. So that's 39. And I'm pretty sure on a Mac it's a 29 to go west. Wait. Oh, I got my directions wrong. I think left is west, isn't it? Let me just double check here. Yeah. Sorry. So west is, so 37 or 28, that's for going west. Is it 37 or 28? Yeah, that's for going west. And then east is 39, 29. I'm pretty sure that's right. Okay. So let's try. So the only thing we have left really is to say turn using and let ASCII rechar be the input, right? Because this is going to give us our number. Oops, turn using, and then turn using is going to do whatever for that number. So if I'm going to hit the up arrow key, yoink, it works. Okay. So maybe we can call this to steer. We can just have a general thing that says to steer here. And I'm going to say inside steer, I'm going to say turn using ASCII rechar. Okay? So, let's try steer. And now I hit my left arrow key. Oh! I messed up. So, I think I was right the first time. Let's see. Left arrow key. So I'm saying, oh, wait a minute. I think I got my east and west mixed up. That's what it was. East is 90, right? Yeah, east is 90 and west is 270. What did I do here? Let me see the buttons. So that's east is, yeah, and that's west. Oh, that's right. Okay, sorry guys. Sometimes I don't know which way I'm going. Alright, so now everything looks good. So obviously I didn't test thoroughly enough with my buttons before I got started here. But anywho, it looks like steer works. The problem is, of course, at this point is it just works once, right? So what do we have to do to make it work forever and ever? Well, we could say forever steer. How about that? And then hit enter. And, oh, look at that. Now, the only other thing, there was a note about how rechar works. If this is the active, see the blinking cursor here? If the command center is the active like panel, or if the procedure tab is the active panel, when you type a key, it's going to go either into the procedure tab if that's where you are, or it's going to go into the command center. It's not going to get read by the window, so you might need to click on the. So I'm clicking right now in the window. Does it come back in? Yeah, and now it's paying attention again. All right. And let's see. One last thing I want to say about this is, if you look in your processes tab, see this? You got your steer process running. So as long as your steer process is running, this infinity symbol says you have a forever process running. So as long as that process is running, you should be able to get the and your your focus is on this window. You haven't like clicked off someplace else. Then you should be able to steer. And if something happens that kills that process, like if you hit stop, that process goes away, and now even if you're clicking in here, this is not going to work anymore. So you have to do forever steer again. So what you could do is also in your go procedure. Where's the go procedure? Right here you could say, let's say you could say forever steer, and then click on, because the clicking on, right, is what's going to make it move. So if we say, now if we say play, now I can use the arrow keys and drive them around the screen. All right, have fun with that.